Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. Today we have a very special whale bookmark. This is an idea of my daughter. You can find her over on Red Ted and Pip, and it's like all our other bookmarks. You will start off with a square piece of paper. We also have a little bit of a contrasting colour, but you will need the square piece of paper to start with, and this is 15 centimetres by 15 centimetres. I don't think I've cut it out very neat, but hopefully it will be good enough for what we're doing. Actually, I think I might have to trim it because you can see it's going over the edges, so I shall trim it. So I'm just going to cut along the edge here, get it as straight as possible, and I think this needs a little trim up here. There we go. Normally I use origami paper for our bookmarks, but I had this lovely blue paper and I thought, why not? So you've got your triangle. Take this corner up to here, like so, and then bring this corner up to here, lining it up as you go. There we go. If you've cut your paper out neatly, you should all align nicely. Give it a good crease. Now open up again, and here's two flaps. You pick the one flap and bring it down, all the way down, like so. Now you take this one and you tuck it in, like so, in nice strong creases as you go, and then bring this one over as well, like so, and again tuck it in as you go. And this gives you your basic bookmark shape. So this is where your book goes. Now for the whale, we're going to turn this bottom bit into a little tail, and if it's easier you can mark it. You want to sort of turn it into sort of a slightly rounded shape, so if it's easier you do mark it first, like so. And also you want to round up the tops, so I'm going to take my little scissors and I'm going to round it here, like so, and I'm going to come down and cut and cut. So this, I guess, is more like kirigami because you're doing a little bit of cutting and a folding and round, and then you take it up like so, and then at the top I'm going to cut a little bit away as well, just to give it a slightly rounder shape. Now I'm going to save these bits, and hopefully if I've cut it right, there's enough in here to cut a little fin out of. I think we have just enough. It's a bit small, but it's okay. So here's one fin out of one corner, and then I've got this bigger piece here, another fin. Oh, actually, you know what? I might be able to cut two fins out of that one. Let's see. Just using the little leftovers, really. That's one. Actually, you know what? That should do. Cut out the fins. Nice bit, thrifty bit of crafting there for you. So keep those. We'll glue that all on in a minute. Take that all to the side. Now we need like a nice semicircle. Again, you can use a glass to measure it out first if that's easier. A semicircle, let's see how that fits. I think that looks quite good. Maybe trim the top off a little bit. That will be sort of the whale's sort of underbelly. And then you also need to cut two eyes. I just used, you can obviously use white paper, but this is like cream that I happen to have. But white paper looks nice too. For the eyes, I like to give it really big eyes. I think whales should have a big eye. Right, get my black pen, and then we're almost ready to start sticking things down. There we go. Get my prick stick. And then you stick this down. position it. Then you take this one as a little fin, this one with a little fin, get one eye, I think these are a bit bigger, that's okay, and another eye. And then you give it that final characteristics, you've got those lines going down. And your little eyes. This one can be a girl. Give it some little eyelashes. There we go. So here you have your whale corner bookmarks. Now I hope you like these. Don't forget to subscribe to Redhead Art. We'd love to see you here again soon. Bye!